Please subscribe.
The Kia Sportage endeavors to emerge in the to a great degree focused smaller hybrid class with particular outside styling and drawing-in driving elements. In like manner, this unordinary reduced Huda can be stacked with a large group of alluring infotainment and dynamic security highlights. Add to that athletic taking care of an expedient turbocharged variant that ups the fun factor. Terrible it has average mileage and load space. All things considered, the Sportage's pleasantly created inside is an upscale domain, and Kia offers outstanding amongst other guaranteed designs accessible. The Sportage is basically a vestige demonstrate for 2019, with no visual or mechanical updates. While it has a similar standard hardware and accessible highlights, Kia chose to drop to the LX technology bundle on base models. This implies the LX trim is never again accessible with any dynamic well-being highlights, or, in other words, that bundle was simply included for 2018. The mid-level X trim joins a moderate cost with a lot of extravagant highlights. Beginning at $27,595, $400 more than a year ago, the X is just $2,000 or $3,000 more than the Bass LX, which begins at $24,745 for 2019, yet it incorporates additional tech and redesigned inside arrangements. While the SX Turbo gives phenomenal execution and a more drawn-out rundown of extravagant accessories, those updates accompany poor efficiency and aren't justified regardless of the $6,500 premium. We remain behind the better esteem given by the X's standard 2.4-liter inline 4 and front-wheel drive, which are more than satisfactory for most driving situations. The individuals who need the awful climate certainty of all-wheel drive can add it to any Sportage for $1,500. Past the previously mentioned standard highlights, the X additionally incorporates 7.0-inch Evo 3 touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, blind spot screen and back cross-activity alarm, 10-way control movable driver's seat, leather trimmed inside, heated front seats. There's not a night and day contrast in driving happiness between the turbocharged Sportage SX and its slower kin, despite the fact that the forceful SX turbo motor can transform ordinary drain keeps running into ramping rides. Both have better than expected dealing with qualities. Appalling isn't the best word to portray the Kia Sportage's outside, however odd may be. In such manner, it stands separated from its rivals, and is suspenseful changed with styling inclinations. What's new for 2019? The individuals who were torn on whether the 2018 Sportage was great-looking or revolting will in any case have blended affections for 2019, since there are no visual adjustments.